now it's time to pin together this small garden tower that Marissa prepped for us. So what we do is, this is just the one that she just cut. You're going to fold it in half so that it's now half the length. Okay, this is super simple. Just line it up as straight as you can, and you're just going to fold it. And I like to fold it about the size of my thumb over. And sometimes it's a little bit, it doesn't come out exactly even. It's totally okay. See how that looks? If you're OCD, you got a problem with garden towers. That's all I can say. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to put the pins in so that it's ready for sewing. And I do it about every, my hand, every 6 to 7 inches across. There you go. That's it. Now it's ready for sewing.